Most organizations approach data management as a technology challenge. They ask questions like which platform to use, which BI tool is best, or which ETL is fastest. Those are valid questions. But optimizing data management goes far beyond technology. Because data management affects the entire organization. When companies treat data only as a technical project, three things usually happen. Expectations increase, complexity increases, but trust does not improve. You still see conflicting numbers, you still see slow reporting, and you still see manual workarounds. That is not a tool problem. It is a balance problem. In practice, strong data management requires alignment across 5 dimensions. The first dimension is organization. This includes leadership, culture, and operating model. It defines who sets priorities and who resolves conflicts when numbers do not match. For example, if sales and finance disagree on revenue, who has the mandate to define it and ensure that definition is used consistently? If no one owns that decision, technology cannot fix it. The second dimension is resources. This includes time, skills, knowledge, and training. Many organizations invest in modern platforms, but the people involved lack the capacity or empowerment to sustain the required work. As a result, systems become dependent on a few individuals, which creates long-term risk. The third dimension is technology. Technology matters. But analytics platforms must be designed for analytics, not for transactions. When heavy transformations run inside operational systems, performance suffers. And when transformations live inside dashboards, each report becomes its own data pipeline. That decentralization breaks consistency and undermines the idea of a single source of truth. The fourth dimension is analysis. Analysis is not just visualization. It is the discipline of defining use cases, designing reusable data models, and maintaining reliable data chains over time. Without this discipline, analytics cannot scale. The fifth dimension is governance. This is where many organizations struggle because data management often lives in an organizational blind spot. Everyone depends on data, but no one truly owns it. The result is predictable. More dashboards, more complexity, and continued disagreement about numbers. The key message is simple. If you focus only on technology, you create distortions between expectations and results. Real progress comes from balance. If your data investments are not improving trust and speed, the problem is rarely the tool, it is the system around it. If you want, we can run a short diagnostic to identify which dimension is limiting your progress and define the most practical next step for you.